Everyone loves warm, fluffy rice, but what is the secret to cooking it perfectly each time? Introducing the Cuckoo rice cooker, an easy solution for cooking delicious rice at your convenience. The intelligent cooking algorithm is designed to regulate temperature and adjust cooking time accordingly to ensure the best treatment for your rice. The versatile rice cooker has 10 unique menu options, including white, brown, GABA, porridge, and more. The unique My Mode feature provides you with full control over 16 rice textures and flavors. The Keep Warm and Reheat function keeps your rice ready to eat even hours after it finishes cooking. The durable inner pot has a 6-cup capacity and a non-stick coating. This allows you to cook enough for your family and easily clean up afterwards. With a lid locking device and automatic temperature control, Cuckoo puts your safety above all else. The long-lasting built-in battery that illuminates display time when unplugged does not affect the rice cooker function. With the Cuckoo rice cooker, making perfect rice has never been this easy.
Sport Voice Guide. 中国语音语音模式. 한국어 음성 모드입니다. Automatic sterilization. Starting the automatic sterilization.